Hello, today we will look at another way of saving time when working with data in Excel. We will touch on data separation using text to columns, or the shortcut TEXTSPLIT. Using text to columns feature, recommended for one-time or infrequent splitting. This is the most straightforward way to split text by a delimiter, like a space, in older Excel versions without complex formulas. Meanwhile, the shortcut TEXTSPLIT might not work on certain versions of Excel. TEXTSPLIT is a relatively new dynamic array function that was introduced only in specific versions of Excel. Using text to columns feature, select the cells or column containing the text you want to split. Go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. In the Data Tools group, click Text to Columns. In the wizard, choose Delimited, then click Next. Under Delimiters, check Space. Uncheck any other boxes like Tab or Comma unless they also apply. You'll see a preview of how your data will be split. Click Next. In the final step, you can choose the data format for each new column. For our sake, we will skip that because we already have our column titles. Click Finish. That's it for today.